Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete a software update on your Android phones. So usually on Android, new OS usually download it automatically, and if you don't want to install it or need to space back, this simple tutorial is for you. First, you can just go to the settings on your phone, and then here you can scroll down until you find the system management, this one. Then go to the backup and restore, sorry, not that one, the reset options. Click on that, and here you'll see four options: reset Wi-Fi, app preferences, all settings, and erase all data. So what you need to do to delete a software update is just click on this factory reset options. So this will reset or erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. You can now just click on erase all data, and then you need to enter your PIN or password after that. And just like that, your phone will be reset and all the software update will be deleted. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.